gross.
Dropping the Malibu off at Ricky's house. Had to take it to the dealership to get had to take it to the dealership to get the oil changed in it. It's last oil change that is going to be done by the dealership. That is a good thing and a bad thing. Good thing because I don't trust anybody to change the oil in any of my vehicles but me. I've heard too many horror stories about people leaving the dealership after getting their oil changed and the oil filter wasn't on tight enough, or they didn't put oil back in the engine, or on a lot of these newer vehicles. Like, I stopped one day, a lady on the side of a road, I think like a 2012 Jeep Cherokee, 12 or 13, something like that, Grand Cherokee, on the side of the road. And I stopped to see what was going on, and she said that low oil light came on, and the engine reduced power on her. So, I popped the hood, was looking around, and it's got the oil filter on top of the engine. It's got a plastic cap that goes on top. Well, the cap wasn't even screwed down. The cap was just loose sitting there, and it had sprayed oil out all over the freaking place. Stupid stuff like that. So that's the good reason why I'm glad that that was the last oil change. The bad part is now I have to pay for it. That's the only downside. Which the oil I use isn't too expensive. I run Valvoline high mileage in all of our other vehicles. This car's got 172,000 on it. The Oldsmobile's got 164,000 on it. The Jeep's got 246,000 on it. So those all get Valvoline high mileage. The Malibu, I'm not going to run Valvoline high mileage in it because it doesn't have high mileage. So probably just run the regular Valvoline conventional, which is only like 14-15 bucks at Walmart. So it's not that much, and that car's easy to change the oil in anyway. I'm not complaining. Just have to pay for it now. That's what sucks. But, you know, paying for oil in 4 vehicles now, soon to be 5, because I only owe like 600 bucks on my truck, and I'll have that. And haven't said anything about that yet really in videos, I don't think, but I'll make another video on that. So we will introduce that soon. Short video, just wanted to make a little update on what was going on. I think I lost my wife. I don't see her anywhere back there. But yeah, short video tonight. Just wanted to do a little update. So that's what's going on right now. Heading home, make some dinner. Gotta stop and pick up a small child first. Then we're gonna head out and make some dinner. So that's where we're at. Hit that like button and please subscribe. And we'll see y'all in the next one.